It's gonna lose. Oh, oh.
What? What the? No.
Behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
Oh God. Saint? Hey. Let's show them your trick. Close your eyes. Okay, open them.
I wonder who got in the trash.
Nobody's gonna know.
And the sunshine increasing, and there is a dog behind me.
Michael.
Ready? Ready? Go get it! Oh, what are you doing? It's out there! Go get it! Go get it!
No! Wrong
stick!
It's the wrong stick!
11 for Thursday, Friday 14. Does start to warm up nicely though as we get into the weekend. 6. Okay, you're on your own. All right, you're on your own. Here, you want to play with?
Oh!
Whoa! 17 on Sunday. By Monday, 18 Tuesday, we are looking at somewhere around 16.
Mike Sobel tried to use that 18-month-old dog visiting from the Humane Society on the air, but Ripple just wanted to play tug of war and chew his leash.
3 degrees.
Larry!
Dazzy! Look, Dazzy's eating the carrot! Oh no! What about some arms, Elsie?
Chris, do your eyes. Make them small. Make them real small.
You're beautiful and pretty, and I like talking with you, and you have a good smile, and you're very interesting. So what did you like about me?
Here's up. Chuck it then.
I decided to put in code because
I think every dog does that.
Come here, Lucy. Lucy, come here.
Buster, ¿estás preparado para un rinraje? ¿Estás preparado? ¡Corre, corre, corre, corre! Max. Max.
Max. Maxie.
Mommy. Mommy. Father. Mommy. Upside down. Daddy. Daddy.
Morning.
Come on. Morning. Come, morning. Morning. Come.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Sadie, high five. No.
Check her out, yo. She over there loving him. Look, qué linda. She is not scared of him. Look, she like, man, let me love you, Pop. Look at his face.
Leave it.
You want your skateboard?
And then what happened? Oh no. Oh no.
Attenzione pickpocket! Attenzione borseggiatrici! Pickpocket! Pickpocket!
Don't know how you're gonna do that. Oh, you fucking did it.
Rufus. What's the matter, Bella?
What are you doing?
Sadie, go back in the house. Go. Good girl.
Hi. Hi, girl.
Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Why are you attacking the water bottle? Leave it alone. Give it here. Give it here. Move. Stop.
Hey, Jaxie.
Hey, come on, shoes bugging at you today. Hey.
Oh,
Come on, yo.
I just know my
Fence, 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 fence! Get over here.
Okay. Good boy.
Wait.
Okay, Clark, you want to do it?
Oh dear, Stanley. Oh dearie, dearie me. What's happened? What's happened? Was it the naughty elf?
Lucy, what are you doing?
Lola.
Was machst du da? Ui.
Yes, good girl. You think this is gonna stop me from putting you outside? You can't just play dead.
Ooh.
He's like a bull.
Oh, he does smile.
He does, doesn't he? Hey, you. You're not the brightest flower.
Kayla, get your boy.
Drop it now.
What are you doing?
Come on, Sax. Inside. Come inside. Come on.
Ritual offering. Quietly people bench it down.
Kate Basil. Casey.
And my man, thank you to my man. And my man, thank you to my
Ever seen my life? Oh.
What?
He's a 10, but his brain is made of shrimp.
Smile.
Can I get an ow?
You fall asleep in the dinner tray.
Ready?
That's literally.
So this is what we do when we go to Target. Roll! God damn it!
You good?
Stop harassing me.
Another recording?
Жесть! Щебетуня! Пошла вон!
Cordy Radio!
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Have a snack?
No.
Bitch, can I please have one
No.
snack? Listen, it's what?
Oh my God! Oh.
Don't touch me. 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 Don't touch me.
Would you like to go watching the movies with Daddy? Is that a yes?
Goose, you need to move your hand before my boyfriend gets here. He's gonna be really mad to see us like this.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Tell me more. Tell me about it.
Is that good?
I love you.
done this.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Turn around. Full U-turn.
Come say your prayers. Say your prayers. Amen. Please go turn off the light. Good job. Come on up. Go get in bed. Snuggle. Head down.
I dare you to try to come up from coach and use the first class bathroom.
Who did this? Who did this?
Ooh, I think I have some treats in my drawer.
You can go for a car ride.
To the park?
A puppy cup?
You want a puppuccino? That's that right?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Dude, fuck with it. No sea malo, el compañero en todo 8M, tipo de shit, te la tipo.
She doesn't chew anything else but this arm right here, like as if wanting to take it off. Dee Dee, can you please explain that to me?
Ooh.
Brittany, what is that? Is that a bone in there, kid? She's blowing bubbles.
Ah, gee, I don't know any dogs in this house that want to go on a walk.
Stop. Stop, Lolo. 坐，过来坐。
I'm really hot. At 90 degrees out, I had to go for a walk. I'm just miserable. I'm miserable. I need a popsicle or something.
How the freak did you get up here? What the heck? Come, no, you got it. Let's go. Get down. Get down.
Paul? Paul? Or Paul?
So we're coming home and Daisy sees us, but she doesn't realize we're behind her. Hi, Daisy. Daisy. Hi. You gotta come here.
Get set, go. So much for that run.
Good, good. Ja.